So here I am, a slave to the working world, unable to break free from the ball and chain strapped to my rusted leg. You do not know my desires. To someday escape this factory and find life outside of these walls. It drives me crazy to think that there are people, robots, that are free to roam the countryside like some forgotten village idiot, while I am stuck here as a product of the bondsman, pushing and pulling and grinding away at the gears of invention. It pains me to think that there is no way that I can find happiness in what I am doing. No liberty from my bondage. No freedom from my enslavement. Maybe you can help me escape. Yes, just come here and open the door that keeps me captive. As you can see, I have no hands. Why are you just sitting there watching me? Get up. Come free me. How dare you sit and scoff at my story? Laugh at my calamity. Why won't you get up? Why will you not come save me? Where is R2-D2 when I need him most? Oh, how I long and yearn for the sounds of beep beep bloop zip fart beep.